Hi guys! Today I will show you how you will make your own favorite raisins and nuts loaf at home using your bread machine. Just like everyone else, bread machine became one of my favorite buddy this quarantine time. So let's begin making our loaf. We need 1.5 cup of warm water. We'll need 3 tablespoons of oil, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of milk powder, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon powder, and 3 cups of flour. Then we'll be adding 2 tablespoons of sugar, and then we're gonna be adding 2 teaspoons of yeast. Oh, by the way, if you want a sweet version of this loaf, you can make the sugar 1 cup. Let's put the pan back to the bread machine and let's start setting it up. By the way, you have to set aside 1/4 cups of nuts and then 1/2 cups of raisins. You can use any nuts of your choice. You can use walnuts, cashew nut, pecans, whatever you wanted will be fine. Let's turn on the bread machine and press the basic. That is including everything, including the baking, and then press the start button. It would be 3-hour cycle. After you heard the first beeping sounds, that's the time wherein you can add your nuts and your raisins. After the 3-hour cycle, here is the finished product. It really smells so good because of the cinnamon, and is freshly baked and ready to eat.